Hi friends, welcome to GV Tech Talks. You will be attending a lot of Zoom meetings, and if you want to copy the presentations of various things shown in that meeting, you will take screenshots manually. Today, but in this video, I will show you how to do all those screenshots together to become a PDF with a single key press. Step 1. Install PdfFactory Pro and set it as a default printer. Step 2. Install Greenshot and set shortcut keys for capturing region and capturing last region, then set destination to printer. Step 3. When meeting is started, press the assigned shortcut key on the keyboard to take the screenshot. It will go directly to the PdfFactory Pro virtual printer. Later we can save it as a PDF. That's it. We can change destination to Word, PPT, etc. Change destination and create Word or PowerPoint or Excel directly. Select the desired destination like Word, PowerPoint or Excel, etc. For example, if you want to generate MS Word file, then set destination as Word and then open a new Word document. Then press the assigned shortcut key to take the screenshot. It will ask to select the Word document name. Select it. Screenshots will be added to the Word document. That's it. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.